Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel. Before the video start, in today's video I will discuss what is dictionary. So अगर आपको इसका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो मैं मेरे टेलीग्राम चैनल और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पे ये शेयर कर दूंगी. प्लीज़ चेक कर लेना एंड स्टडी करो. So let's start the video. What is dictionary? A dictionary is a built-in Python data type that store data in a key value pair. It is a mutable, ordered, and the key must be unique. So अगर आपको मतलब ये क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया तो 2 to 3 लाइन में आप ये इसका आंसर दे सकते हो इन द सिंपल वर्ड्स यू कैन आंसर इट लाइक दिस एंड दिस इज द सिंटैक्स डिक्शनरी सिंटैक्स स्टूडेंट इज इक्वल टू in the curly braces key value pair key is you can say the key and the value in the double quote. The key must be always in a double quote and the value will be the it is an integer we can't use double quote. If it is a string we use the double quote or a single quote. Example, student is equal to in the curly braces uh, key value pair as you can see name Ankita, age colon 22 21, city is equal to Pune in the string, the print student name and the print student in the dictionary name and the in the square bracket age. So that will the output is the Ankita and the 21. The characteristic of the dictionary store data as a key value pairs. So it is a mutable. Mutable means we can change it, we can add it, we can update it, we can delete the items or hold the dictionary. Also ordered means preserves insertion order in a Python. So 3.7, what this mean, that is the mean 3.7 is the version of the Python guys. So 3.7 के वर्जन के बाद मतलब ये फंक्शन आया है ऑर्डर्ड वाला, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स मेंशन. Key must be unique, values can be duplicate, keys must be immutable such as a int, string or tuple. So common dictionary methods, first is a get method returns the value for a keys, return all keys, values, return all values, atoms, return both key value pairs, updates the dictionary atoms, pop function, remove an atoms by key, clear, remove all atoms. So example is a student is equal to in the curly braces key value pair, the age is a 21, name is a Ankita, the student city, it is the add in the list, the Pune. City will be the yeah, sorry, key and the value will be the Pune. So student age is equal to 20. This is all about the update. It is same as a add function. So and the third one is a student dot pop. So pop is the remove the list that item from the dictionary. So print name is equal to Ankita and the age is equal to 22 because we update it. First it is the 21, then we updated into the 22. That's why it print the 22. That is all about the. So why city not print? Because we remove the city from the dictionary. So that's why city is not printed. So thank you for watching this video. प्लीज़ आपको मतलब पीडीएफ चाहिए, मैंने बोला था कि मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे डाली हुई है, आप चेक कर लेना और ऑल्सो व्हाट्सएप चैनल को भी फॉलो कर लेना, उस पर भी डालूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक द बटन and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.